This is for the fathers around the globe. We love you more than you'll ever know. For the strength you gave me, you're truly amazing. Happy Father's Day. Place you on the highest pedestal. We love you more than you'll ever know. You chose to man up, you chose to stand up. Happy Father's Day. From my first breath to my first steps, Pops, you took me under your wing. So I'm under a king, which means I was destined to achieve anything. Realize.
Oh, that was a hit. That was a hit. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Look at that, guys. The fish are working here, guys. Look at that. Oh my God. You see that, guys? Right there, guys. They are feeding. See? There's a hole. Fish on. Look at that, guys. Only in Fort Mansfield, Texas. Hopefully. Look at that, guys. Incredible. Oh, what trout. Another fish, guys. Another fish. Oh, look at that. All kinds of potato chips right here, guys. Look at that. Small little lays, guys. Look at that. You gotta get the keeper, guys. Fish on, guys. Look at that. 2 of them. This is why it is good to get the jig hook. Look at that, guys. 2 of them at the same time, guys. Go get your jigs today. Look at that, guys. Wow, 2 trouts on at the same time, guys. Guys, look at that. The jigs, two trout in the same leader. Look at that. It's not even worth measuring. Wow. Look at all the birds are working, guys. Look at that. Fish on. said if there's fish, game fish, I may be able to look out. Fish on. I got a fish on, guys. Fish on, hearing. Fort Mansfield, Texas. Ooh, speckled trout. Speckled trout, guys. Look at that, nice. Man, as long as they stay there, if there's some nice keepers, I should do okay. Nice, look at that, guys. Hopefully, I just don't want to get one of a bird. Gotta have fish on again. Let go. As soon as it falls, speckled trout, guys. Look at that. Nice. There's a little specks. Ay, hang on, puppy. They kind of dispersed already. Am I scaring them? Possibly. Let's continue. Fish on here in Fort Mansfield, Texas. I think I had two trout. One let go right at the end. We're doing an overnighter, guys. No partner in crime, Tony. No kayak. No problem. Hopefully we can have Tony back soon. Let's continue, guys. That's trout number 3. Fish on here in Fort Mansfield, Texas. All right, man. They're still small, guys. They're still kind of small. Oh, this one's croaking. This one's croaking. Right there. Come on. There it went. There's still quite a bit of... Very far from where my vehicle is. Very far from town. I'm hoping that I can get into the nice bull reds. It's a lot to ask for, but yeah, I haven't utilized a spoon in a good while. Fish on, guys. Oh yeah, fish on, guys. Look. Oh man, it's a trout, guys. 2 trouts on the same rig. Two trout. Oh. Wow, guys. 2 trout, guys. The camera got a little wet here. Unbelievable. Sorry about that. 2 trout. Possible keeper trout, guys. Possible keeper trout here. I gotta put them in the stringer here, guys, because wow. Okay, we'll measure them right now. Gotta put them in a stringer here, guys. Just for safety purposes, you know what I mean? You never know what you're gonna be finding over there, guys. You know, far away from town. You never know, guys. Right there, guys. Those are definitely keeper trout, guys. Keeper trout. I just gotta be positively sure that they're not oversized. All right, we cannot be taking any oversized or undersized fish. So yeah, we gotta measure them, guys. Got a fish on here. It's pulling drag. Ooh, it's a red, guys. Red. Red. Undersized. Could it be 20 inches? We don't know. On the tandem rig, guys. Right there. Look at that, guys.